Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version on your earbuds. So open SOUNDPEATS application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Just give a second to this application. And you will see this menu. Now click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware. Click on it. Firmware is the same as software, and now it checked for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see a button download. You just click on it and it will install a new version for you. And now if it didn't help you or you haven't new version, the next step is to reopen your audio player. So let's say you listen to music with Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Just remove it from the cache and open it again, then check. Also, I recommended to check for updates on this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check is maybe this application have new version. If both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the left side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 2 times. Now press and hold. Firstly it enters to pairing mode. We keep holding it. And here we go. Now go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and we need to remove these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds here, and then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, then click pair new device, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you don't need to use connectional button, you just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.